Good afternoon. Welcome to ABC Trader. This is Mike, and I'm just going to do some education today. I did a trade today, and I'll see if I can. I'll probably edit not edit video. I had phone calls going on and everything, so I just kind of scrapped the video. But I'll show you the trade that I did take, so you can see exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So, anyways, I'll just go into this thing about the risk disclaimer. Well, there's not really this risk disclaimer because it's for educational purposes only, so we'll just get right into it. Hey, morning everybody, or afternoon I guess. It's Mike here, and I just want to show you one thing before we go into exactly where my projections were. And I'm just going to show you something on the Discord here. This early in the morning, around 8:30 in the morning, I was just looking at the chat what guys were saying, and then I was looking at what my projections were. So I had a conservative projection to 13,785, and then I put another one as 13,550, 13,585. That would be right here, what I was saying, finishing the down phase. Then I said the possibility of a maximum going down today at 13,710. Fortunately, didn't hit those couple of numbers, but it was close. So what I'm going to show you, so you can understand. Let's focus on this. Focus on this. So this was today's move. Market open, bounced up. Now if you take a look, top of the hour, she came down. And I didn't trade that. I had to wait. My trade was from this point forward. What I was saying is I'm going on the sell phase. I know I could have done it personally, but what I'm trying to do is that video, I'll have to edit the video so I can see the trade. But if I go to a different chart, oh, that's noisy. I need a clean chart so you can see. Which chart can I show you? Let's go with this one. Perfect. Let's do this one right here. Oh, actually, I could even do this one too. Let me see. Okay, this is good enough. Well, let's find the correct chart. Here it is. Perfect. Okay. So I actually even had the marking just looking at it. But where the market open happened, well, around 9:30, and she actually was pushing hard, really aggressive. So I was thinking, okay, we can get in, and it just reversed. So I had to wait. Then I saw the consolidation, and I said to myself, I need, until it breaks here, I can't take my trade. And my trade was actually quite conservative. I only did a short trade from here to here. That was my trade. I had projections, and the reason why is it was coming back to the swing market analyzer. And I was getting phone calls and everything, and it was just I had to go. I had some appointments to go to. But now the reason why I'll show you the numbers that I wrote down. Let me see if I can have an indicator horizontal. Boy, she's nice today. Sorry, guys. Oh, it's not on this one. Sorry. So let's go. I'll take my mouse so I can find the number here. I wrote 13,785 conservatively. So right about here. So basically, where the oh, here was my marking. Actually, right about here. This is where I was projecting for the first one. And the reason why is, easy projection 127 usually hits. Okay, and then my next farthest target where I thought where the maximum was. Let's see if I can bring it down again. See the max for today. 13,710. So right down here, I was close. There was 10 right there. That's where I was thinking where the maximum was, but it got to, well, it was a low 19, so it's about 9.5. No, it wasn't bad. But at least we know that if you were patient enough taking the trade, breaking down after the on the sell phase, you can get to the bottom of the range, target 1, target 2, target 3, and I told someone it's probably going to hit target 4, but it never did. Got close though. Very close. So that's what I wanted to show you. Now, let me see here. And you might ask, how would I look at these targets? And the reason why I looked at the targets, and it's probably that noisy chart that I was looking at this morning, but it's all filled up right now. Let's see if I can find it here. What I do in the morning, oh, it is really noisy. I will look at the projections. I will look at how the energy is running, and I also look at these numbers. Okay. My original number, I said it was going to go to 1.2, and I think it was a little higher than that. But what I also do, I will look. Actually, I'll create a brand new chart here. It's a lot easier. I'm going to show you here two things. And market maker. Those are the two I'm just going to add right now. Perfect. So, what I was looking for, what you can do is a couple of things. This whole night was consolidation, so I really believe that it was going to break. It might come back and then go again. Okay? So, what you can do, if you're looking for how much of a run it could possibly go, you can just go from the high to the lows, but I'll do it on the New York session, and then I'll do it again. And as you can see, very close. Actually, they're tapping like crazy like that. See? By the time it hit its peak. Okay? I also look at this London session. When the London session, when I saw all this consolidation here, so we had possibly 1 run, 2 runs, maybe 3 runs. I'm not sure yet. But see where I'm saying, what was my number? 585. So see 600, 585. See all this groupings down here? I'm thinking if it does group all night, then it's going to come back the rest of the day, and I don't want that to happen. What I want to see is let it play this move, maybe work its way back up, play in the zone, and do one more aggressive sell-off. Hopefully, because I am in that sell phase. Okay? As you can see, what I do is I will look at the London session, and within that London session, I have 50% retracement here. The Asian session is 50% retracement here. So when I saw it took off this morning, I had to wait and see if it was going to break this zone, this London session zone. Because you can see there was a lot of resistance here from all this volume and then resistance here. And what they do, because there's all this consolidation, this really quick zone, even though it's from 5 minutes, if I go to, let's say, 15 minute, let's go 30 minute. No, I'll have to go 15 on this one. Let's just do 15. This is what I call the banker's count. So what they do is they'll push it up, hammer it down, get back to the position, and then go again. And the banker's candle, what they do is they knock out stops, because if we were looking from here to here, you're thinking, oh, we're double bottom, it's reversing. We're in the sell phase. So what I was looking for is consolidation, banker's candle, come back, enter the trade, I take it below my 60% and away I go. Just in case. I know I'm losing quite a bit of movement, but because it is the New York session and you never know with the NASDAQ, it can go. And then what I do is once it breaks, I will also look at, of course, my other charts. But one of the big ones I look for, let's see here, let's see, where's the last one? Which chart? This ugly one? This one? see here. One behind it. This one. Sorry, guys. There it is. Okay. What I'll look for, see how it groups here and away we go, but I'll also look for, there we go. I want to see how aggressive these things are moving. So when it was taking off this way and it was holding, I saw the RTY just explode, the ES explode, and the YM. All three of those. So I said, okay, it's just going to finally run. It's just lagging. And away it went. And I did a Fibonacci projection, and look where it hit, literally on the 161. That's it. That's all I'm going to show you for today, guys. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we got that one more day of running, because we just broke into the sell phase. And we'll go from there. Other than that, you guys, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.